Hi, my name's Nate with Horner Lighting, and today we're going to talk about our hazardous linear fixtures. Designed to withstand the most extreme environments, these fixtures are commonly used in oil and gas refineries, wastewater treatment plants, chemical processing facilities, and many more. Both linear fixtures shown here are Class 1 rated. Class 1 meaning they're rated for environments where ignitable gases, vapors, or liquids are present. The first one is Class 1 Division 1. Division 1 meaning those ignitable substances are part of the normal working day. The other fixture is Class 1 Division 2. Division 2 meaning those substances aren't part of a regular working day, but could occur as part of a maintenance operation or repair being done. Both fixtures are 4 foot in length. The Class 1 Division 1 fixture has a tempered glass lens, and the Class 1 Division 2 model has a polycarbonate lens. These fixtures are designed with a die-cast aluminum housing and come standard with a universal mounting bracket. The fixture can also be surface mounted. Knockouts are included on the sides of the fixture for conduit entry. These fixtures are available in either 120 to 277 volts or up to 480 volts. Both are IP66 rated, protected from water and dust, and also vibration and salt spray tested. They have an operating temperature of down to -40 degrees Celsius and up to 60 degrees Celsius. Both come standard with 0 to 10 volt dimming, a color temperature of 5000 K and 70 CRI, and a lumen output of up to 10,000. And at 130 lumens per watt, you'll be sure to save on energy costs. These fixtures come standard with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at hornerlighting.com. Thank you.